This hair and these brows just ain't it, sis. They ain't it. Hello everyone, so today I have a super exciting video. I am trying out HudaBeauty for the first time ever. I've never tried any of the products. So I got a huge package from HudaBeauty the other day, which I was super excited about. I'm just gonna be trying them out. So I've got lots of lip products, eyelashes, a couple brushes, powder, eyeshadow. I don't have any concealer and foundation, so I'll just do that with other stuff. I love this box. All my family have been so like shook at this box. Sapphire Obsessions, which I think might be my favorite, honestly. Sorry I can't show you anything up close because my camera, I'm still trying to work it out, but I can't keep putting it in and out of focus because it just doesn't work. But the shimmer shades are absolutely stunning. They are so pigmented, so creamy. The mattes are pretty too, but they aren't as creamy. Well, that's usually the case with mattes. So that's a few shades from the Sapphire Obsession. That's the only one I've swatched so far, so I'm going to try some of the Emerald Obsessions to show you some of these. That shade is like really like chunky, which I think will look really nice on the eyes. But I do also have a few eye brushes. This came with the new nude palette. I do have that as well, but I'm not going to use that today because, as I said, I want to do something colourful. But I'm firstly going in with the P. Louise base in the shade 01 to prime my eyelids. I think I'm going to go in with the Emerald Obsessions. I'm going to take this brush, which is the Smoke and Smudge brush. I'm going to take the bigger side. I'm going to take this shade, which is the darker emerald shade. That is pigmented. Now I'm going to take the Build and Blend brush, and I'm going to take the smaller side and taking this lighter green shade, and I'm going to pack that above. Okay, so now I'm just wiping that brush off, and I'm going to take this shade from the Sapphire Obsessions palette. This one isn't very pigmented, to be honest. Again with the Emerald Obsessions and take that lighter shade again. And just reinforce that. And now I'm going to take that first brush and the first darker shade. As I always say in my videos, and I do with every look I do, is I go back and forth between each shade to get the pigmentation there and to get it as blended as I can, because I feel like it's the best way to do it, because when you put a colour over another colour, you can take it away and make it unblended. It just helps going back and forth. It could be the most blendable or the least blendable eyeshadows, and I would still go in back and forth between the shades. I just think it's the best way, for me personally, I don't know about anyone else, to build up colour and blend it out. I'm going to add a little bit of the shade from the Sapphire Obsessions palette. Yeah, it's just made it a little bit deeper. It's not even made it any more blue, it's just made it deeper. I'm now going to do like a half cut crease, but I'm going to take it quite far out. Try something a little bit different, but I'm a bit scared. So I don't know, but I'm going to do that with the P. Louise base and the Zoeva 144 soft concealer brush. So I'm just taking that brush that has that darkest shade on, and I'm just going to not put any more product on it, just patting it around the concealer. I'm firstly going to go in with this shade, I think, which is from the Emerald palette, which is like a really chunky shade. The Fender blender, which has a silicone side and like one of those ones you get from a cheap palette when you were younger side, which I don't really understand. I get the silicone side because I think the silicone side will be great, so I'm going to try the silicone side. This shade is really crumbly though. I feel like I've already dug in half the pan. I'm going to go into this palette now, and I'm going to take this top shade, which looks beautiful, and then put that next to it. Oh my goodness, look at that. And the last shade, I think I'm going to go in with this middle shade because it looks just stunning. So I'm going to take that first brush and that darker blue shade from the Sapphire. I can't believe I still don't know the names. Next to the edge of the last shimmer shade to kind of try and blend it in. Okay, so that is the look so far. I did get fallout down me and down my face from the shimmer shades because they're quite chunky and glittery, and they're not very pressed, so they're quite loose. But they are very pretty, so I don't mind that. This is the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Sugar Cookie. I think this is the like lightest shade. I think it's translucent. I'm Oh my god. People have said that this smells. And it does. It smells a bit like these lollipops I used to have. I feel like it's all going up my nose. Okay, it's made me look a little bit white. I'm going to go in with the Sapphire Obsessions, and I'm going to go in with the darkest blue right along my lash line as close as I can. So I had to put the lashes off camera because my camera died. Love that for me. I was about to say the lashes kind of ruined the whole look, but they're not too bad. They are the faux mink Farah ones. She does have mink lashes, which I 100% do not support. I don't understand why mink lashes are a thing. They're very plasticky and like straight, so they look a bit weird. They're not too bad. So I have lots of lip products to try. I think I'm going to use the lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. They're creamy, but they're not like too creamy. I think I'm going to go for SheEO. Okay, so I really like those Demi Matte lipsticks. But yeah, this is the finished look. It's quite crazy and fun. If I have the choice to do some colour, I've just got to. So yeah, I'm super impressed with all of the products. The eyelashes I'm just not sure about. The powder, so far, it honestly seems pretty good. Try it out throughout the day and try it again, and I'll keep you updated through videos and on my Instagram stories, Alice King Makeup. Go follow me over there. The eyeshadows I really like. They could be a little bit easier to blend and a bit more pigmented, but I'm going to keep trying them out, do some looks with them, maybe do some YouTube videos with them. I will keep you updated on how I feel, because this is just my first impressions on HudaBeauty stuff. I really like the silicone one, and the eyeshadow brushes are super good, and I like the sizes of them. So thank you so much to HudaBeauty for sending it over to me. I really appreciate it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. Also, don't forget to turn on that notification bell if you want notifications every single time I upload. I also have an Instagram, as I said before. It's Alice King Makeup. I post a lot of looks over there, and I'm going to be starting posting Christmas looks soon, so keep your eye out for that. And I think I'm going to do another giveaway soon, so also keep your eye out for that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!